Tariki emerongo ebere nemo muchenyi okianda omwaka wechibubere nemerongo ebere na inye mwanchumurelia Ndizi TV andonsi ase ontengerete marogo yagono nigonde kuigenanga nigonde tutwara emarogoba engia ase maitinga mbale babo ikirana ase kanisa kulende bono ningumore ase mutimuko bwe weekend karansoike bekumanyibuna abera gwat kubaketsa chamambi wikira bono mugaso itana nkoruko job Maangi no connecting activity chibo na mariogi abera wikira asenchera yobo ikira nere Lydia mose nigo yaragire Chinsa Ikomi bono marogoba kurenande asekretari ege tambe Mwanchumurelia Ndizi TV na wakwenda utubwati ya wetera asenchira yumtandao o Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital YouTube Ndizi TV News na boyo wetera asenchira yekerero yumtandao www.ndizitv.net nigo tukuchaka majia kurwa ase county ya Nyamira ase gati amenyi kurwa ase Chinsemo Chiamo Sovieti echigotoka ansurube bunge tutuma saba na boigo bunge ya West Mugirango nigo babeire bakwe murunganeria anamono asukutigara maiga kemakendro nigo baba kurwa okobolia ase abarai kurwa sorogongoru kwene kinga ngo chikirania bale amagendro anamono chipara na boigo okwagachwa wechiro ya Mosoveti erinda bakonyora chinga kinyororo ekero bakora obonchirolia bwabo
manazikiri ya Mosoveti niwe kwate mtane nenge ebalene kwate na kukusi abangina babwate ebintu bakota Mosoveti amabomba na bimude ke bakora de kinyeni kirende ke bakora eta manasia para bagorde Mosoveti
ya chiro gerembe kerembra ya tulege gusareka ndobwati no na bagutwabusira echiro ndobwati no na bakoranga Kisii chitaya nji ego juika saa 1 saa 12 bantu twachaki
tete gukwanira buna bono muisimi gwitoke ganda atua mwagirite chikura ari gutara makulima tugatara monere tukamwagira chikura wonegere tukurigire chipara chito guchirogorasi tugutira guchia njoro igo chipara chisaregete utete tote yumuisimi gwa keganda iga onye tuli koigwebirero bitu buna tugukwana kurwa chiro ya Mosoveti ngoja tuli buogo naba murabe chipigipigi bonsi
ebengo este mugirango ebengo gesitwali abemisia abero kwa Nyamira yo Uganda nduntura rasi maja kunyiro weiga ekiagara na otulire tiri mubaga toro yomo njino yo getutuli samara nondo jinga nejereria na rasa ya magende ogetutu nejereria sa magende ase nginjo bakwenda ali ba compromise elinde magende ra mana wakya ochama ase para uo ekiagara matuka no babegetebi abantu barude mabachire gagwa se para egere tenchera sia abantu baminto bakorera biashara se para ago
abajogi baguchana bagusaba chibese chinyingi sana betojo na manganani bono etogojoga ntuli
togoskabosioni go abarai kurwa se kiamagia odiemba bere bagwe soki vene na komochia omokonyi bumurai wenseri gati gashagwa azwote banga chinkwa na chia inigo chirigetie otorana na boigo turbania emeroberio ye serikali bakorawa no munyakirogo bwe kiamagia ODM Gladys Wanga boigo oromo governor we county area ya Homa Bay nigo anemono baba kumomochia kubwate kana nechi mkwana chiaye chabere chikoroka nanga necho bogesa kukigima asibabere bakumobulia koba asumustario obosio anemono as bokwane nabo kumulekera amangana alengete kujikirania amagendero ya serikali ya Kenya kwanza.
From the presidency comes out to address the country. Kenyans expect that they will be hearing from the presidency, and that is the president and the deputy president, about how they are dealing with these many challenges that are facing Kenyans. The bitterness is arising from the fact that other people who are not considered shareholders or are considered non-shareholders by the deputy president have now come forward and are also participating in this company that is Kenya. The deputy president is actually going through a Damascus moment. Once he took the oath as the deputy president of this country, ceases to be a man who can only converse to people in his vernacular, His vernacular now is for his village when he's in the village. But when he's talking to people, for example, at Marikiti, where there are all tribes, 42 tribes involved in the business at Marikiti, he should not then break on into vernacular and say that, after all, we all knew that he came from that part of Kenya.
Ase oyo bwango igagwe soke kumugikelia omokonyi bumurai wenze nere omubunge okimilili Dismas Paraza ase abeire gakomomochia kubwate kananga nigabeire gakorokananga nigakwegeregesa kweke mokubwa ebisaku binde anemono ase abakumugikelia kubwate kanani nkwana abete gakukwana kuna Moses Wetangula tabwendrete koba omonogeri bwebunge enene ase abere gakumubuli erigathi gashagwa kwene kingangusi kale ebisaku binde.
Hivyo Kenya yetu hii tuko na watu wengi ambao wanazungumza. Hii haiendi mzuri, hii imeenda sawa sawa. Hata juzi mmeona kwa TV naibu wa rais anasema vitu mingi, sijui ya maendeleo kwa diary, sijui ya program ya rais, sijui apatiwe nini, sijui apatii hii, lakini kidogo alisahau kuambia ukweli. Shida ya naibu rais na serikali hii ambayo yeye pia anashiriki kama naibu wa rais ni kwamba yeye alikuwa ameanza maneno ya shares ya kugawa nchi yetu hii kwa maneno ya shares. Akasema area hii ilipigia kura Kenya kwanza kura nyingi, muko na shares nyingi. Area hii hamukupiga kura nyingi, shares yenu ni kidogo. Kwa hivyo watu ya Nyanza shares yao ilikuwa 0 kulingana na naibu rais. Watu ya Mombasa shares yao ilikuwa 2% kulingana na takwimu ya naibu ya rais. Watu ya Kakamega walikuwa na shares ya 10% kulingana na takwimu ya Rigathi Gachagua. Sasa wakati rais aliona apanue serikali yake, aenda atafute wale watu walikuwa kwa ODM ambao wanatoka sehemu ambayo hawakutupigia kura, naibu rais akakasirika. Alionekana kwa mkutano mmoja akisema ati hata Wetangula hakufaa kuwa Speaker of the National Assembly ati kwa sababu area hii ya Western kura ambayo tulipigia serikali hii ati haikutosha. Mimi nimwambie naibu rais kwamba tajriba ama uwezo ya Mkenya yeyote kuendesha shughuli ya serikali kama waziri ama speaker
aborokia City University au inse jebyombe bikubajerera kelia kia uasu na kusu babago chakia vene omugiro bwa borokia kubatkananga nugo taisanika inchira serikali endetse kumurekera naboigo ogoteikirani wa kwa maganio abo ase oyo bwango yagwe Sofia naboigo kwanera enganeye nomo senator we county area ya Homa Bay ase amalita Moses Kajwanga oyo beire gakomobolia umurai wense Dr. William Ruto gwesona nigatia na kwene kingango korale omugiro oyo beire go koturubania kisemi ase chinsemo Anamot University ime yense echo Kenya negetambukiro atebanga kirachi kwene kinga twabirdo kinya ekerengo gekisemi ase ense echo ya Kenya.
The biggest crisis that is going to kill the future of our young people is the ongoing education sector crisis. Please stop the politics. Please stop the 2027 plans. Please stop the obsession with Gachagua. Please come to the table and ensure that this country has a proper plan of building its.
Togoska bosionigo omwaziri otenelete amangana arengete chinguru chomorero naboigo amaguta opiyo wandanyi abeire gako enekinga serikali nerwete bene asoko enekinga keromo Kenya ngochiare konyora estima ase boigo abaga ukwanera emeroberio babegete ase ogochiko enekinga ngokora bale omuchando gukuborwa gwestima ose asomonwa Kenya muriro power blackout oyobeire gogo turbania emeroberio au ase ense echo ya Kenya igetambukero keriyetiko chikwenda kinga ngoti bokinya kerina boigo korobia obugima bwaba Kenya.
So done some mini grids in Homa Bay County in the islands of Ngode and Takawiri. Very, very unique projects. And we are focused on ensuring that these projects are completed within the shortest time possible to address the issue of power shortages in this region. The only solution to the incessant power shortages, power outages in this region is the completion of those transmission lines, the high voltage transmission lines, which we have secured financing for from our development partners. So all that, when we complete them, I'm sure we shall have addressed the issue of availability of power and essentially also cost.
We continue urging you to allow us to come through your villages, to come through your farms, allow us to connect electricity, because this electricity is going to bring around socio-economic development to you. It is going to benefit you and future generations to come. We are committed as an organization to ensure that we extend electricity to both the constituencies that are within the grid and even the constituencies that are far away from the grid.
Ndizi TV nigo ekigambero ekenene kyabeire gikuralinga omoroberio bokwenanwa ogosirwa ase chibunge uliomanyekane tenga NGCDF anigole mamincha yerichiko ase ababunge babeire bakwegwa libagali abene gwikira chitaliki emerongo etato omutienyi ogatano nemo mwaka wechibubere emerongo ebere na isano nemo 2026 kwenekinga babeire bagwikirania emeroberio yamagendro chingaki omoroberio yo orabe bogotiga gokora emirimo bose ababunge barabakurwa libagali abene lyogwikirania amagendro weterani wese wetera ase omoroberio oyo nigo ekigambero kyabete kuralinga nigo kubwatekananga noko enanwa kwemirimo eyo cyase ababunge ko bekorakananga noko egwa kwemirimo mamincha yerichiko naboigo ningana ere mamincha nerichiko lyo mwaka utibobere nemerongo ebere na bose tirubu ibere ne Ikomi aserichiko lya betri linya libetri gwetwa ase ense yecho ya Kenya naboigo ti county kwegwa libaga lya bene nige tambuka batebanga kirabego kinya nawe kone kinga aba menyi bekinsemo asense yecho ya Kenya mkonyora bale obokoreri gore obya.
However well intended, has the effect of creating structures that are incompatible with the nature of the distribution of functions between the two levels of government.
The National Government Constituencies Development Fund Act of 2015, as amended in 2022 and 2023, is hereby declared unconstitutional. 2, that the National Government Constituencies Development Fund and all its projects, programs and activities shall cease to operate at the stroke of midnight on 30th June 2026.
Extending the fund beyond the current financial year would unreasonably perpetuate the unconstitutionality of the Act. In light of this, I would propose that the 2015 Act and the fund cease to operate on the 30th of June 2025.
Chinsa Ikomi Chiabono Maragoba veterane nkoruko Job Maangi no bakwenda kinga chibicha ichi naboigo amalio gyabero ikira sentera yobo ikerunere Lydia Mosete tumirane ituko ya Juma tatu na abatakire obirilia obuyaime Ndizi TV abo bwanso go mu Gusii twara e weekend engia.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omugusii.
Hikiyiga asorobotirwa bene.
Actually, what is taking here place at Ekrenyo Youth Hall is public participation on County Annual Development Plan 2025-2026.
Katiba yensi ya Kenya yekwaba Kenya libaga lyokurwa amarorabo unabatagete kwenekerwa amagendero ne serikali yabo wetras jinjira au yemo yabo ne ya public participation
abana intindo zimna tuwa batatimba ikirana twakwanira mangana ali arengese plan ye to discuss it abarumba chaba mentaliko
twabolie account etokonye ekorega twanyore chingo kichi ngo twara chirugure ndio bobe twanya bate bamba tokonye ande mbatorende ase bintu ebyo batorente bintu byo bikogera chingo ko chitu chibe to niende tonyora chibesa
ocha Kirensa ya monenusu ya magoroba watetariki
tukaba tugusanga wiki eta